Well, by his affidavit alone, in fact, it will sell in the Marvel movies. Masyadong fantastic. The
25.
most fantastic. Jan, siguro, Pinky, I will share, and for the first time, I will reveal the real score here. It came from the mouth of PRRD during the time when Bongo was supposed to run for president. We were all in Malacanang with all the governors, no? Tapos all the governors were made to speak to support Bongo because he filed already a candidacy for president.
Sa PDP po ito.
Oh, PDP. Tapos, everybody supported except 2 governors. Ang feeling namin talaga, Bongo will win over Bongbong. But, bigla na lang naglaho dahil ayaw na ni Bongo. I asked the president, Mayor, hindi na ba natin makumbinsiyan si Bongo? Kasi wala tayong panglaban eh. Sabi niya, hindi na siguro. Nag-urap siya and parang he said na ito kasi traidor ito si Bongbong at saka si Martin. We met one time, tapos they betrayed us, hindi na sila bumalik. Kasi ang sabi niya, Bongo wanted to run for vice president. And they met.
Sino po ang magiging presidente?
Si Bongbong.
I see,
Kasi
okay.
at that time kasi...
So, dapat BBM and Bongo?
Oh,
Okay.
at that time kasi, October 2, Inday, BP Sara, already filed her candidacy for mayor. So, and Bongbong on October 6, I think, he filed his presidential candidacy. So, it is within that period that I think President Duterte, Bongo, and some other guys met with Bongbong. They wanted to request na mag-vice president si Bongo. Pero after that meeting, they were supposed to meet again, sabi sa akin ni Presidente Duterte. Hindi na sila binalikan. Turns out that
Ng grupo nila BBM,
ni
sir.
BBM. Turns out that I think sometime in October 23, there was a meeting, birthday ni Yeda yon, birthday ni Yeda.
Romualdez, you mean?
Romualdez. Sara was there, and several other people. Parang, well, pagkasabi ni Presidente Duterte sa akin, parang inintriga si BP. Nila Bongbong at ni pag hindi ka tumakbong vice president, si Bongo ang ipapasok na vice president. So, I don't know what happens. After that, she decided to run for vice president.